Eye color is determined by a combination of genetics, melanin levels, and the way light scatters in the iris. Rather than being controlled by a single gene, eye color is influenced by multiple genes working together, which is why such a wide range of shades exists. While we often group eyes into simple categories like brown or blue, the reality is far more complex. Brown eyes. The world's most common. Brown eyes dominate globally. Roughly 70 to 80% of the world's population has them. Brown irises contain high levels of melanin, which absorb more light and result in darker coloring. This melanin also provides increased protection from ultraviolet UV radiation, giving brown eyes an evolutionary advantage in sunny climates. This helps explain why brown eyes are most common across Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, and Southern Europe. Fun fact: people with brown eyes may have slightly faster reaction times in certain sports, because melanin can help block excess light and glare. Blue eyes. From rare mutation to iconic color, blue eyes are found in about 8–10% of people worldwide. They don't contain blue pigment. Instead, very low melanin levels cause light to scatter within the iris, producing a blue appearance, similar to why the sky looks blue. Genetic research suggests that most blue-eyed people share a common ancestor from a single mutation that occurred thousands of years ago. Blue eyes are most common in Northern and Eastern Europe, especially in countries like Finland, Estonia, and Iceland. Fun fact: every blue-eyed person in the world is distantly related through that ancient genetic mutation. Green eyes, striking and uncommon. Green eyes are among the rarest natural eye colors, occurring in only about 2% of the global population. They are created by a precise mix of moderate melanin, yellowish lipochrome pigment, and light scattering. This delicate balance makes green eyes difficult to inherit and explains their rarity. Green eyes are most common among people with Celtic, Germanic, or Northern European ancestry. Fun fact: in medieval Europe, green eyes were sometimes believed to be linked to magic or supernatural abilities. Hazel eyes, a blend of color. Hazel eyes make up roughly 5% of the world's population. They feature a blend of brown and green tones, often with gold or copper flecks. Hazel eyes can appear to change color depending on lighting, clothing, or even mood, due to uneven melanin distribution in the iris. Hazel eyes are common among people of European descent but are found worldwide. Fun fact: hazel eyes are often mistaken for green or brown. Many people don't realize they have hazel eyes until they see them in different lighting. Gray eyes, a rare and subtle shade. Gray eyes are extremely rare, appearing in less than 1% of the population. They contain very little melanin, similar to blue eyes, but reflect light differently, creating a silvery or smoky look. Some researchers believe gray eyes may have a slightly different iris structure that affects light reflection. Gray eyes can shift between gray, blue, and green depending on lighting. Fun fact: gray eyes are so rare that some eye color charts don't include them at all. Amber eyes, golden and unusual. Amber eyes occur in about 1–2% of people worldwide. They have a solid golden or coppery color caused by high levels of lipochrome. Unlike hazel eyes, amber eyes lack green tones and appear more uniform across the iris. Amber eyes are rare in humans, but more common in animals such as wolves, owls, and cats. Fun fact: because of their animal association, amber eyes are sometimes nicknamed wolf eyes. Heterochromia, two different eyes. Heterochromia occurs when a person has two different eye colors or multiple colors within one iris. It affects less than 1% of the population. It can be genetic or develop later due to injury or medical conditions. In most cases, it does not affect vision. Fun fact: celebrities like David Bowie are often thought to have heterochromia, though in his case it was caused by an eye injury, not genetics. Final thoughts. Eye color is more than just appearance. It's a reflection of genetics, evolution, and human history. Whether common or rare, every eye color carries a unique story, shaped by ancestry and chance.